Hi, one of my favorite things, something more natural for your laundry. I'm always looking for a natural way to do everything around the house because the more natural it is, the less chemicals that we're putting onto our skin, the better it is for our bodies. I have to tell you, this is a woman thing, but it also, of course, happens to men. But in our chemicals today, there's all kinds of, it's something called estrogens. And those estrogens go into your skin, into your bloodstream, and they cause all kinds of problems with your hormones, with your everything that's going on in your body. Your body does not like extra estrogens. So whether you're a man or a woman, you do not want those extra chemicals going into your body. So this is why I'm always trying to think of a more natural way to do things, but it also helps the environment as well, because when we use chemicals and they go down the drain, that leaches into our system, and those chemicals are going into the soil. It's just a vicious circle. So the more natural we can be, the better off all of us are. So one of my favorite things for laundry, borax. Wait, now look at this little picture of this little boy. That looks like it's been on that box since 1960, right? So anyways, you can get this in your laundry section of your grocery store, and it's just borax. That's it. So what's borax? It's actually a mineral that's mined from the earth. That's what it is. It's just a mineral, plain and simple. What does it do as far as your laundry? It does a lot of things. First of all, it softens your water. What does that mean for me? It means that especially on a rural property, we have hard water. And if you have hard water, your detergent stays in the clothes and it's hard to rinse them out. So by putting a half a cup of borax into your laundry, you're softening that water so that it's helping to take that laundry detergent and move it out of the clothes so you have fresher, cleaner clothes. It also, because you're softening the water, your clothes will be brighter. So instead of using bleach, you can use borax because it's actually a whitener as well. So what I do is I definitely use it on my whites. And what I'll do is I'll let it sit, I'll let my whites sit in there for a while because it does act as a bleach and makes them nice and white. But I'll also put a half a cup in the laundry tub when I have some bright colors, because it will brighten up the colors as well. So you're going to have cleaner clothes. Now, another thing about borax is it has a very, very high pH. You're probably thinking, well, okay, but what does that mean? So when something has a high pH, that means it's going to clean the clothes cleaner, because the high pH helps to distribute the dirt out of the clothes and you will have cleaner clothes, right? So that's another thing. Now this little guy, this mineral, has been used for thousands of years. It has been around so long. Why do we not use it? Because we get used to the same old detergents. Just grab what's on there and not think about it. But if you read up on borax, you'll see that it's so much better for you, so much better for your family, so much better for the environment. So it's awesome. It also, believe it or not, disinfects your clothing. So if you have any bacteria, of course you do, you have bacteria on your clothing, when it's in the laundry, it actually disinfects. Right? Mother Nature again. One of my favorite things, Mother Nature. One of my favorite things, borax for your laundry. You have a great day.